Good morning everyone and welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. Mom is currently upstairs wrapping my Christmas presents. I can hear it. Also, yes, I am in the same shirt I was yesterday just because it was the first warm, cozy thing I found. I won't wear this all day, but it is super warm and cozy. That's all. There's only 2 left. About to be 1. That is bright pink. Butter gloss in the color Sugar Cookie. Aww. That's a very cute name. The difference between the one from yesterday, the intense butter gloss, and today, the regular butter gloss, is this is more of like a little tint lip gloss, and this is like a liquid lipstick but in a lip gloss. It's very strange. I like the regular butter glosses better.
For Christmas?
Aww.
Boo? Boo? Yeah? Oh, such a big boy. Hi! There are more presents under the tree. Who's in the clean clothes? Huh? What you doing? Hey, my moose. Hey, my munchkin. Yeah.
Alright. That's basically just look at all girl, don't get me started. See, she already getting me started. We have to start rolling.
There's a rave going on over there.
Yeah.
Hour 1, we can't feel our feet.
I can feel mine. I don't know
Well,
about
I
you.
can feel my feet, I can't feel my legs. Or my face.
I can't feel my face when I'm with you. Cause I'm cold.
It's so freezing.
Oh.
Look at the snow, it's nuts.
It's fudge-tastical.
Fudge-tastical. The word of the night is fudge-tastical.
Know it.
How'd that go, Mom? You okay?
Hey, no, I gotta stop because this is ice.
Okay.
Deck the halls into be jolly.
La 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 la. I can't feel my lips anymore.
They're very tingly right now. Heat, give me heat. Oh my god.
You made it.
Warming up Mike's face. You good?
Yeah.
My face is so red.
My face is warm now. It took a minute.
Oh, there we go. There we go. My glasses are almost defogged. It looks like I have like little bat wings. Oh, it went in my nose.
Oh, that's interesting.
Walking in a winter wonderland.
Oh my god, it's blizzarding.
Sure is.
So how much do you think we'll get snow-wise tonight?
5 feet.
Oh god. Well, I did ask for a white Christmas.
It'll be like gone tomorrow.
Aww,
I bet you.
I want a white Christmas.
Okay,
See?
drive safe.
Bye.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Look at all the snow.
God. Look at that.
Our windshield is all snowed in. There was no point to curling my hair. Look at that. I look insane. Oh, there was no point to a shower either. That is wet.
I was going to get gas today and didn't. But at least we can park in the garage.
Yeah. Those of you who always wanted glasses, this is not all it's cracked up to be.
Ooh, that was pretty.
I don't know what my camera's doing, but it's really pretty. Well, originally the plan was to come at 7. I'm glad we didn't do that. Yeah, it was bigger last time. Every time, 7-Eleven. We need to buy a lottery ticket. But it has to be like at 7-Eleven from a 7-Eleven.
Driving in my car. And the motor's on the radio.
Our Elmer Fudd impressions.
A baby kiss, ooh, fire. Pull you closer, but you know I'm a wire. You're recording this song, right?
Yes.
Nice.
It's gorgeous. Someday we'll have a big house with a front yard like the one in Iowa City that we can fill with Winter Wonderland lights.
Yeah.
That's my
I loved
goal.
our little house and our little I loved our little house in Iowa City.
Well, I was talking about the Winter Wonderland house that they decorate.
Yeah. I liked our little house that had the grape arbor.
Yeah, that was good.
top.
And we had little strawberries that grew every summer.
Yep.
My little strawberry garden.
patch. 19 degrees and no sun.
Sounds like the beginning of the song. 19 degrees and no sun. I like when my camera goes out of focus and the lights just turn into little blobs. Okay, everyone. It is 1 a.m. I am going to bed. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to give this video a like, subscribe if you're new or haven't done so yet. And if you'd like to get notified when I post new videos, click that bell somewhere down there. And that'll let you know. And I will see you guys tomorrow for the last day of Vlogmas.